Hello guys, welcome to Spirotech 365. Today I am going to show you how to make a screen bump effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's start. First of all, we have import our video into the project panel and then insert our video into the sequence. Here is a 3 frame in the timeline. We have to click the toggle animation button, the scale option here and the position. If we decrease the scale, after that we'll move to 2 frame forward and then reset this. After that, if we copy this and 2 frame forward, here you can see there is a nice skin pump effect we have created and applied on this video. We step forward 2 or 3 frame and then we done the scale for forward, make it even 5 frame forward. Close up the gap. There you can see we have created the skin pump effect so easily. If you love and enjoy our video, please like, comment and share this one. Do not forget to subscribe for more tutorials on Adobe Premiere Pro.